you can see from last month's trading, January's trading, you can see how we closed above this high. So there's a high tendency that February is a very strong bullish month. And not just that, because of all of the geopolitical tensions in North America. I mean, it's always good for gold, and we can see gold reach new highs. Okay, and if we take the fib here, I mean, I'm taking the extension of this retracement, okay, casting it forward in time. You can see we have levels we can define, like the 2850, the 2910, and the 3050. Okay, so these are levels into the future we'll want to be looking at for gold. Okay, here, so first buy side objective will be 2850. That's about a couple points. That's a couple points away. That's about, I think, 3,600 pips away. Wow, that's even a lot. That's a lot. So looking at gold, we have what's this 2850. Okay, just want to be sure. 2853. Just make it 2853. 2853.50. All right. So if we have our objective into the future, and when you look at last week's trading, if you look at last week's trading, you can see how, if you look closely here, we ran above the previous all-time high. Look at how the body of the candles closed above this. Okay, what this did essentially is validating that we'll be bullish this week going into February's trading. And if we can determine the weekly bias, obviously from based off of last week's closing, there's a high likelihood this week closes bullish. The candle closing above this candle's high. So the daily time frame yesterday validated this bias. How did the daily chart validate this bias? And now if you look at the weekly time frame quickly, if you look closely, you'd see that they return into this previous level here, and you can see, and if you check the daily time frame, there was a fair value gap here. So returning to the previous structure, this old high became our new discount array, overlapping this daily fair value gap. Okay, so this becomes the new discount array, and you can see how the candle closed bullish. Okay, in terms of the body of the candle, closed bullish, and a rejection here because this was the previous monthly high. Okay, so as soon as they ran through previous monthly high, the market settled inside this range. But look at the candles, considering the fact that we traded into sell side, traded into a support level, old level here, and ran through. So maintains gold to be bullish going into Tuesday's trading. And the only thing then I was now looking out for was is this fair value gap here. So I was thinking we're gonna run through this candle's range low into this gap, and we're gonna find something good, and we're gonna see the markets just expand. Gold is looking pretty straightforward, and going into Tuesday, I think I'm gonna really look at this in the London session. Yeah, I'm gonna look at gold in the London session. I have in mind this discount array, and I have the overnight trading session, the Asian session, to show me if gold is gonna trade into here or not. So by London session, whatever price action is left, if I can make sense of it, because I would not be blind to the fact that this is an ICT bullish breaker. Okay, this high and we traded below sell side liquidity here and into this discount gap. So all of this high here, okay, could serve as support here into our buy side objectives. So it's just gold here that's in the clear, market structure, how prices are respecting levels, and coupled with the geopolitical tensions and all of that, that is really supporting higher prices on gold. So all we have left is the level. This seemed like a pretty obvious level that they could have just traded into, and we want to see just buy side and all of that. Okay.